administering the current stockpiles.
There are a few important financial things in the news: unemployment fraud, refinancing, and identity theft. Let's talk with financial expert Terry Savage. Good morning, Terry.
Good morning. Well, yes, you're right. There are a lot of headlines. The stock market is watching those headlines, and the impeachment as well. Obviously, stock market flows based on earnings, based on money in the economy. And though this may seem so practical, but the question is whether this impeachment could derail the expected Biden administration in stimulus plan 2B or whatever would come next. So the market's kind of hanging in there at zero, and a lot of uncertainty over that. Meanwhile, we had consumer prices this morning creeping up and interest rates creeping up. So a lot going on that we aren't paying headline attention to with all these personal finance issues.
Well, what about these people still getting those letters saying they filed for unemployment? And it seems like this just keeps going on. And I can't figure out what the end game is, because people don't seem like their accounts are being effective. Talk about this.
No, but Robin, it's what it's likely. And I've been working with the FBI on this, as Julie Unruh has for our Channel 9. There's a massive fraud going on, and what's happening is they're using, because your name and information and Social Security and birth date, so they're mostly doing this to seniors, are opening new accounts using your information, accounts online, bank accounts, and siphoning off unemployment benefits that when they create your identity. So while you don't think anything's happening to your checking account or to your credit card account, it's entirely possible that money is being siphoned off in your name. And that's when the IDES is using your Social Security number and information and writes you, because these people used online forms to open accounts, saying, well, this is about this in your unemployment. And you're going, why? You probably will get a 1099 later this month saying you owe taxes on unemployment benefits they think they sent to you, but you didn't get. So this is a huge fraud. The FBI, the Attorney General and so forth, State's Attorney Kwame Rule have put a task force together, but they're not. Somehow they don't seem like they're on top of this. So, by the way, at terrysavage.com, look for the little box on the right-hand side, identity theft, do this. You're going to freeze your accounts right now. You want to look for inquiries from another bank. Maybe when they, bank accounts don't show up on your credit report, but an inquiry will. So maybe that bank is where someone opened an account in your name. Whole list of things to do on that identity theft, do this button.
All right, let's get to some viewer questions. I have a 30-year mortgage with $46,000 left on it at 4.25 rate. Should I refinance?
Yes, refinance. Start it now, this afternoon. I truly mean that. Fed says it's going to keep interest rates low, but the U.S. government has to borrow. And yesterday they borrowed 10-year Treasury IOUs. And for the first time since March, in this week, the interest rate on that free market, global banks buy them and so forth, the rate is pushed up to 1.1%. Over 1.1% for the first time since last March. In the crisis, everybody wanted the safety of treasuries. The yields fell down to close to 0.5%. That 10-year Treasury rate is the rate on which mortgages are based, and that rate is climbing. So for sure, start the refinance process today. Yes, do it. Do it now.
All right.
That's my number one tip for the year.
Okay, another question. Any recommendations for disputing the PUA, Pandemic Unemployment Assistance Clawback? They sent me a letter saying I have a no-fault overpayment of almost $3,000. They want me to pay it back. I heard with the new stimulus package, now this can be waived. What do I do?
All right, this is a piece of Illinois Department of Employment Security, IDES insanity. I've sent letters to the director, to the governor's assistant. It was, in the past, it was said by the federal government that if states overpaid PUA, which they had a hard time calculating, and they messed up on that anyway, they should claw it back. But the new stimulus bill gives states the ability to not claw back what was their overpayment mistake. The governor and Kristen Richards, the head of IDES, have been silent on this, and they have still been sending out letters saying to people who got this PUA unemployment money and spent it to live, you owe me 3,000 people, you owe me 14,000. Now, I know the governor is going to get around to saying, gee, the new law says we don't have to claw it back. we're going to devote our time to fighting fraud and getting benefits to people who really need them and are still having trouble. So ignore the PUA letters. Until the governor says that, all I can say to you is don't panic, sit back. The worst they can do to you is take money out of your current unemployment benefits or your current tax return for 2020. But I think this will be resolved before then because it's such an easy fix. Governor, are you listening?
All right. Next question. Do you consider it worthwhile to pay $187 plus for identity protection?
I don't. I never have, except out of superstition. I just, most of that money now goes to things that you could do yourself for free, like freeze your credit. There are links in that article on terrysavage.com, how to freeze your credit, how to report identity theft. So the biggest service they provide is they say they help you get your identity back, reconstruct your credit. I'm not sure that's worth it. I'd rather prevent identity theft by freezing my credit than closely watching all my current accounts online, my bank account, my credit card. I check those at least once a week to make sure there's nothing unusual. And then I think you'll be okay if you just do those things.
All right, Terry, thanks so much. If you have questions for Terry, you can go to terrysavage.com. Thanks a bunch.
Thanks, Terry.
Thanks, Larry.
All right, everybody, get texting. Pat and Paul would like to hear from you. The number